Okay, you got some ingredients here. You got half and half milk. You got sugar. You got egg yolks. You got just a little bit of salt. You got some vanilla. I couldn't find any vanilla beans, because that's what we really want to use, but we can substitute with the vanilla. But what I want you to do first, this is your sugar. I want you to pour your eggs in the sugar. Egg yolks and sugar mixed together. And then you take your milk. Put your milk in there. I like doing like half at a time. Stir it up. And we can take more of our milk, add it to it. Ooh, perfect. And we got a little bit of salt, just a little bit, and a little vanilla extract. Stir it up. And we're going to add to our double boil. And we're going to let it cook. Just want to cook until everything get on the spoon and everything stays on the spoon. Then we'll put it in the ice cream maker.
And why do you want to do this part?
Because this is a double boil. We'll keep it from burning.
Why do you have to cook it?
Because you can't, because you want it to emulsify. You want to get just a little bit of thick where everything can gel. Okay. So, let's let it cook. We'll be back in a few minutes. Jojo, this is first phase ice cream. He's got his milk, he's got his sugar, his egg yolks, his vanilla, and he got it set up on a double broiler so it don't burn. You just stirring it up, and it's just going to get just a little thick where it sticks to the spoon. Okay, let's see. But once it sticks to the spoon, we know it's time to start turning it. Keep on stirring, buddy.
Is it fun?
Yeah, and I can see eggs. See?
Yeah.
It's not sticking to the spoon yet. Once it sticks to the spoon, we know it's ready. We gotta keep moving it around.
So 5 more minutes?
About 5 maybe.
Have you done this before, Josiah?
No. So what is these?
Eggs, sugar, vanilla extract, a little bit of salt. No, this right here is ice cream salt. This is what we're gonna use once we put it in the ice cream maker. We'll use ice cream salt, and that makes the ice like super, super cold so it can freeze the ice cream.
Ooh, that's gonna be good.
Go ahead. Make sure it's not too hot. And don't put the spoon back in there.
You like it? I think he likes it.
I like it.
Okay, you can't double dip.
Making ice cream for the first time.
Okay, Josiah, you keep stirring that, and then I'm gonna get our ice ready, okay?
Okay. Mommy, can you help?
Look at the wrist. Hey, look at the wrist. Just kidding. Oops, oofy.
Mommy.
Whip it. Whip it. Whip it.
What we got here? What we got here? We got ice. Ice. And all of that, pour that ice in there like that, okay? And then, what you do after that, ice cream salt. You take your ice cream salt and you want to get it opened up. And you want to pour the ice cream salt in here with the ice.
It does look good.
Yeah, it looks real good, man. That's just ice cream salt. Get mixed in with the ice, okay?
Why do we need ice cream salt?
Because it makes the ice more
Cold.
and more colder.
Yep, cold. It keeps it cold.
See how it's sticking to the spoon? Look at that. Look at that. See how it's sticking to the spoon?
Yeah.
Okay, you're allowed to taste.
Let's go see what. Girl, I like this. This picture just drew me in, baby. Hey, hey, hey. I just gotta give you this beautiful black moment real quick, baby. Black excellence. Ooh.
I was talking about video.
Are you making your own video?
Okay.
Yeah.
So, alright Jojo, the next thing we got our ice. And I like covering it up. You don't want all the salt from the ice to go in the ice cream.
Oh, why?
You don't want salty ice cream. You take all of it.
Yeah, I was making cake. I'm making cake.
No, matter of fact, you probably
See,
should
Dad, I'm
take
gonna
it.
make a cake on the cake. I'm making the cake on the. See, Dad, I made this cake.
Oh, you made that?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Wow.
Regular little chef.
Right. That is so cool.
Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour our mixture into here. Hold one side of the bowl, and I'll hold the other side.
This
It's
one?
hot, yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's get some so we can like get everything out of that bowl, man. You don't want to leave nothing
Yeah.
in that bowl.
Yeah.
Use it all up.
So,
Okay.
do we need this?
No, you don't need that right now. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Okay. All right. So I can get more in that bowl. Look at all that good stuff, JoJo. You want all that good stuff in your ice cream. We gotta start it up. Voila!
Did you just burp?
Voila! Press it. There you go.
Hey.
Good job.
Wepa.
So now what we're gonna do? The ice cream needs to turn. So look, when I plug this in, see how that turns? And what I like to do, I put a little bit of water on it. Good, more. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna put some more ice in. We're gonna put that in the ice cream later, but he's allowed to taste one piece.
Yum.
When the ice cream is ready, the machine is going to automatically cut off.
So what are we gonna do for an hour?
Wants to play basketball.
Yes. How this get over here? Take us to the garage. Sweet. Oh my god.
Take your time.
Yep, take your time, baby. Hey! Wepa! That was great. Ooh. Here's the pizza man. Oh, you're taking it out.
Let's see how it looks, Joe. Ooh!
Oh my gosh! It looks like ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah, it like poop.
Okay, go ahead on. Put your cookie dough inside your ice cream.
He said it looks like the poop emoji.
Go ahead. Put it in there. Go ahead.
Ooh, drop
Put them
it
in. And then we'll get the ice cream maker fired back up so it can mix your cookie dough. The reason why you want your cookie dough to be cold because you want it to be chunky.
Chunky.
Yeah, you put them in there warm, it's not gonna do the right thing. Yeah, there you go. Good. Both hands. Big boy. Man, that looks like real ice cream now.
You hear that, guys? Slow it down.
Slow it up, JoJo. So what that mean? That means that ice cream. Now we get it off of here. Put that right there. Get this over here. Look at that.
Wow. You already put that in there.
You gonna taste it?
You gonna taste
You
it?
gonna taste it?
You gonna taste it?
Go ahead. That's sweet. Go ahead, taste it.
It's good.
Oh, you double dipping.
I'm using a baby spoon, guys. Oh yeah, this is ice cream. You go to an ice cream parlor to get.
Look at that. One more.
100.
100 more. All right, Josiah, say thank you for watching today's video.
You're watching the wheel.
Okay, you'll see me and JoJo next week. and we're gonna do kid-friendly pizza, and we even gonna make the dough.
Ooh! Wepa!
Hey,